Hello children, let's start with the first chapter of ninth class, Growth and Development. Difference between growth and development. What do you mean by growth? Growth is increase in height and weight. So it is a quantitative change. It involves the change in shape of the body, size in the body. Growth is for the limited period, maybe for 18 years, 20 years. Growth covers only the one dimension of the body. Now, what is development? It is both quantitative and qualitative change. Development is external as well as internal. Example, social change, emotional development is there, physical development is there. So it takes place throughout our life. It deals with all the dimensions of personality. What are the factors which affect growth and development? Environment. Environment means type of a parenting, type of family is there, socio-economic status of the child, learning, how much he learns from the atmosphere, so what are the opportunities which are given to him. Heredity, genes which transfers from one generation to the another is also one of the major factor of growth and development. Example, your height and weight goes on your mother or maybe your father. Maturation of the cells. If you take a healthy diet, you mature faster as compared to the malnourished child. Factors, again, this has been explanation: heredity, environment, maturation and learning. Heredity, each cell carries a nucleus which contains chromosomes. These carries the genes. These genes are responsible for the various traits of parents. Environment, the second major factor which affects the growth and development of the child. Surroundings or everybody around us, maybe your school, neighborhood, family. Maturation, person learns and accepts various skills. Child learns to walk after he learns to stand. Learning is change in the behavior as a result of experience, and learning develops by the observation. Milestones, these are the indicators or the yardsticks of growth and development. This measures the growth of an average child and tells about the rate of development. Why these are important? Because we get to know that the child is growing normally. It helps us to know about the health status of the child. These milestones help in providing the right learning material at right age. Now, principles of growth and development. First, it is a continuous process, starts from birth till death. Specific pattern is followed by the development. Cephalocaudal, proximo-distal. Cephalo means head, caudal means legs. So the development takes place from head to toe. Proximo-distance, from center to outside, from heart to limbs. Development pattern has individual pattern. All the people, they developed by this pattern. Example, the child learns to sit, then he learns to stand, then he will take a first step, and then he will learn to walk. Rate of development is the rate at which the particular organs get mature, or it is time taken by them. Each development stage has its own characteristic. A 7-month-old child can sit without support. Every individual passes through each and every stage, maybe fast or slow. This depends upon the health condition of a child. Every child reaches its maximum stage of development. There is a correlation between traits and development. Traits and development means to say what is your behavior, what type of the behavior child exhibits. It depends upon how he is being handled. Then development has many stages according to Freud. There is narcissistic stage, Oedipus complex, homosexual, heterosexual. Narcissistic stage is when the child learns from the atmosphere. It is the sensory motor stages there. Oedipus complex, he is attracted towards the opposite sex parent, like girl is attracted towards or more close to the father, and boy is more close to the mother. Homosexual stage, in the friendship, they prefer to have the friend of same sex. Heterosexual, in adolescent stage, when they are attracted towards the other sex. Various stages of development of a child, or these are the this is called stages of development of life. Prenatal stages there, from zygote till birth, infancy 0 to 2 years, early childhood 3 to 6 years, late childhood 7 to 10 years, adolescence 11 to 18 years, adulthood 18 till life, old age above 60 years. With this, we have finished our chapter. We are going to meet till the next chapter is ready. Till then, take care.